Why ballast water treatment systems fail after commissioning. A ballast water treatment system can pass FAT and commissioning and still become an operational nightmare. The problem is rarely the treatment unit itself. It's usually the piping design around it. We see the same failures across retrofit projects and vessel operations. Air pockets forming upstream of UV reactors. Filters undersized and prone to frequent clogging. Pumps operating far from its best efficiency point, causing cavitation, accelerated wear, and vibration. These issues are particularly frequent on retrofitted vessels, where the ballast water treatment system is integrated into existing piping layouts. And the first symptoms usually appear during real operations, not during commissioning. As with other systems, it is also common that valves and key components are not easily accessible, resulting in maintainability issues. We still see retrofit installations where filters, valves, or actuators cannot be easily reached without removing surrounding flooring or pipe spools. That means longer maintenance windows and increased system stop. A well-designed ballast water treatment system is more than just selecting certified equipment. Accurate flow calculations, maintainability clearances, resistance to transient operating conditions. That's where specialized piping engineering makes the difference. Flowazur Consulting, where complex systems are made to work @C. Flowazur.com